.3D printed caps. We're going to test them, but I want to videotape while I'm doing this to see, well, to document if they're easy to put on or not. Now I do use a dowel to set my caps, make sure they're all the way on my combs. I'm using Primal compound. You can probably see them again. I've already done some other tests and it all looks rusty. It's not. It's from earlier test today. We're going to bed tonight. I'll clean it. Anyways, that was pretty tight. I wonder if it got too much. So it's a fine line. Put them on. Look, with the compound, sometimes I get a little bit too much in there and they don't want to go on my combs. Being difficult, so we'll have to maybe reduce the amount and put it in my cap. I'm gonna try a different color because the compound like blends in with the gray filament I used. That one seemed like it went on all right. Skip that one. That one a little bit too far. For the most part, they go on a lot better than the aluminums I tried. That cap or whatever you want to call it from Reloader, 22 Reloader, and it's just, they're hard to get on to my pistols. They do okay on my shotgun and my side locker, but they just try different things to get them to go on easy. They're all jagged and whatever. So I found this file on Thingiverse. This file for number 11 caps. It takes about 15 minutes to print 25, and I accidentally printed out over 600 on accident instead of 25. Alright, I'll go back to the one I missed. So, part of my problem is I get too much priming compound in there, and the caps don't want to go on, or I don't get enough priming compound put on in the cap. Then my so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rest my hammer and I'm just going to set them home. Make sure that they're where they're supposed to be. I'm going to go videotape and see what my results are. So I might have to, I'm using a number 11 cap on a piece of wire from a scoop. And I've reduced it down a little bit to try to get, because you don't, if you fill all the way up, you're not going to get your caps on the combs. So a lot of guys say fill it up to a third. I'm probably just a little over half, so I probably need to cut it back. Okay, I rest it between the chamber. We're gonna go try this out in my garage, or out in the garage, and there's nothing in the gun. Looks a little bit rusty from the priming compound, but that is normal. I will do some more research though and see if I can find a non-corrosive. A couple guys on